I am honored to chair the Select Committee on Biotechnology. Our overarching goal with this committee is to ensure that the legislature is up to date and well informed about the biotechnology industry in California. The Select Committee on Biotechnology focuses on three key aspects of the biotech ecosystem in our state: our research and development infrastructure, important legal and regulatory issues impacting the industry, and how this industry is supporting and supported by our workforce development efforts. Today's hearing is very appropriate then in providing us an opportunity to hear from the California Institute for Regenerative Medicine, also known as CIRM, as well as from individuals and organizations that have worked with or observed CIRM in the time since its inception nearly 15 years ago. So a little bit of background. California's Stem Cell Agency was created in 2004 when 59% of California voters approved Proposition 71, the California Stem Cell Research and Cures Initiative. That initiative authorized $3 billion in funding for stem cell research in California, which created the California Institute for Regenerative Medicine. The measure endowed CIRM with $3 billion in bond revenue to fund California stem cell laboratories and attract world-class researchers. The California State Legislature held two informational hearings on the implementation of Prop 71 in March and October of 2005. The first focused on oversight, while the latter focused on intellectual property. There was also a report by the Little Hoover Commission in 2009, which made recommendations for changes in CIRM's governance structure and increased transparency in its activities. Several of these recommendations were codified with the passage of SB 1064 by Senator Alquist in 2010. CIRM began issuing grants in 2006, and as I understand, it's anticipated that it will be able to continue to fund new projects until sometime in 2019. We will hear more about that as the hearing proceeds. As this is the first hearing of the legislature on CIRM in several years, it would be informative to hear from today's presenters about what CIRM has achieved in its mission and what its plans are for the future.